Hi friends, how are you doing today? Today I have a very special phone with me. It's a phone by LG Electronics. But what's important is this is a completely new series by LG called the W series. It's online only, it's stock Android, it gives you premium features, premium devices at affordable pricing. Now LG will be launching 3 new devices in this series. I have the LG W30 with me, there will be LG W10, LG W30 Pro. So let's check what comes in the box. So as you can see, this phone comes with triple rear camera, 2 megapixel plus 13 megapixel plus 12 megapixel PDAF, 4000 mAh of battery. It has 6.26 inches of 19:9 HD plus full vision display, a fingerprint sensor plus face unlock, 2 GHz octa-core processor, 3 GB of RAM, 32 GB of memory. Now these phones are launching on the 26th of June in New Delhi and will be there at the launch. As I told you, this will have 3 devices in the series: W10 dual camera, W30 triple camera and W30 Pro with triple rear camera Snapdragon processor. Now, these devices will start from 8,999, so we'll check that out, but first let's see what comes inside the box. So as you can see from the back, this is an Aurora green color and the fingerprint sensor is right here. It is a triple rear AI camera, LED flash, fingerprint sensor. This is the Aurora green color. On the top is the headphone jack and the microphone. On the right hand side you can see the volume rocker and the power button. On the bottom is the USB charging port, a microphone and the speaker grill. On the left hand is the SIM pin tray. So the phone is switched on, but let's first see what comes in the box. As you can see, this is the W branding. It looks like the Wonder Woman logo. I'm sure this phone is wonderful. We'll check that in detail. But first let's check what comes in the box. So in the box you can see there's a power adapter. There's a USB charging cable and the documentation. So this is what comes in the box. Now it's time to check out the device and show you is it really wonderful or not. So now let's head for the review part of the device.
W30 offers a bigger and vivid viewing experience thanks to the 6.26 inches 19:9 HD plus U full vision water drop display with a screen to body ratio of 86%. It also offers multitasking in full screen mode, reading mode or night light, color temperature settings and a few more display customizations. LG's iconic full vision display provides an immersive viewing experience on a device that's almost all screen. The best part is it's the world's first smartphone to offer triple notch display where users can choose the type of notch they want. Users can select between U notch, V notch and full screen display from the display settings. In terms of design, the W30 comes in a unibody bezel-less design. It has all the buttons on the right and the SIM tray on the left. The back has the camera on the top left with an LED flash. Right underneath is the fingerprint scanner in the center. Towards the lower half is the LG branding. Overall, the look and feel is very premium and the Aurora green color is a head turner. Talking about the processing capabilities, LG W30 comes with 3 GB RAM and 32 GB ROM. The device is powered by MediaTek Helio P22 2 GHz octa-core 12nm processor, AMD Power VR GE832 GPU and comes with stock Android 9.0. The device has a 4000 mAh battery with MediaTek Core Pilot technology. With Android 9, the smartphone harnesses the power of artificial intelligence to give you more from your phone. It's smarter, faster and adapts as you use it. Users have to adjust less, scroll less, charge less and tap less. Users get screencast, Google Assistant, Google Lens and regular security updates and timely Android updates. LG has added FM radio, voice recorder and custom camera with the stock Android experience. LG has gone ahead with stock Android in comparison to the competition for an ad-free and pure Android experience, which is a rare case in this segment. For the W30, LG has also used a blazing fast fingerprint scanner along with face unlock for faster unlocking experience. The camera processes 128 identification points in mere 0.3 seconds for a quick and secure unlocking experience. Both the modes are lightning fast to unlock the device. The device offers 4G VoLTE and ViLTE with dual SIM dual standby for HD voice and video calls. The smartphone offers faster processing speed while consuming less energy. Activate apps faster, switch between them seamlessly and offers a smooth user experience. We also did a few benchmark tests, but we don't recommend deciding a device on the basis of benchmark test results. Talking about the camera, W30 comes with a versatile AAA rear camera and a 16 megapixel selfie camera. The 16 megapixel front camera is also used for face unlock feature if you prefer it over fingerprint scanner. The versatile AAA rear camera offers options of wide angle, bokeh and normal to enhance the image quality. The AAA rear camera has 12 megapixel autofocus low light lens, 13 megapixel autofocus wide lens and a 2 megapixel fixed focus depth sensor. The camera app offers bokeh mode, beauty face cut mode, smarter selfie portrait experience, time lapse, amongst many other features. LG W30 has many firsts under its name. It is the first LG online-only smartphone to launch at this price. It is the first LG smartphone to come with stock Android experience. It is the first smartphone to offer triple notch. It is the first under 10K smartphone with AAA rear camera to be sold online by a big smartphone player. With so many firsts and LG promise, the LG W series offers maximum bang for buck and is a much recommended smartphone. So do let us know how you like the device in the comment section below, or you can tweet to us at @theunbiasedblog. And also remember to hit the like button if you enjoyed watching the video. For those who haven't subscribed to us, please click on the subscribe button and hit the bell icon. Thanks for watching The Unbiased Blog.